wettest channel on the internet.
I would like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel, and in case you didn't know, we are on the west coast of Florida, and what I like to call the west side happy place. How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. And I noticed a lot of people enjoyed the Sandbar Life party. You know, thank you guys so much for those people that follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and they're actually here locally, and you guys made it over. And I know a lot of people are on vacation because I got a lot of private messages saying, man, I wish I could make it. I'm sorry I missed it. It's summertime, so everybody's doing their own thing, vacation with the family, so it's good. It was a lot of work, 2 or 3 days of just editing videos. I decided to come over to the West Coast and relax, because this is my relaxing place, like you guys already know. So loving it here. It's pretty quiet. I mean, it doesn't matter. Right now I think it's like 12:30 in the afternoon, but it doesn't matter, because here it doesn't matter what time it is, because I could just get up and go. And actually in a little bit I'm gonna go ahead and dump the island hopper in the water, because like I said, here I have no time, no hurry, no cares. This is like a stress-free place, and I love it. Today it's just me, Olguita, and Gabby, because Fresco and Joed, you know, doing their own thing. So you know how it is, kids are getting older, but I didn't force them to come. It's cool, because I just want to relax, and that's exactly what we're doing today. Actually, we're about to eat breakfast at 12:30 in the afternoon. Breakfast at 12:30 in the afternoon. And guess who's it for? Who's the breakfast for?
You and your dad.
And look at this.
But I'm having bagels with them.
Can't forget the bacon.
Ahí ponle pozol para luego.
And look at what's later on during the day, whatever that is. Something my dad made up. So we're here enjoying a lazy, relaxing weekend. All right, guys, check out my little breakfast. Look at this little breakfast here. It's just a little snack at 12:30 in the afternoon. Well, 12:45 now. There we go.
And with the best company.
They got the best chef. We got my dad hanging out.
Oh yeah.
What are you having for breakfast?
Burnt bagel with cream cheese.
Burnt bagel? What do you mean burnt bagel?
Yeah, I like it burnt.
Oh my gosh, she's having burnt bagel. Oh boy, okay. So let's have some breakfast. And another good reason that I like being on the West Coast is that I noticed I've never really looked at my watch or the time. And just that is stress-free. I kind of just look outside and estimate how much daylight I have left, and I go ahead and do whatever I want. So now we just finished breakfast, and we got plenty of energy because that sandwich was pretty big and packed. So now we're gonna head out and throw the hopper in the water. And today we're using Olguita's car. And just like that, we got the hopper full of fuel and putting it in the ramp. And all this is done stress-free. No fighting for space at the pump nor at the boat ramp. So we're out in the water in the late afternoon. I think it's like 1:45 already, but that's the good thing about the West Coast. I don't have to worry about time because I don't have to worry about the ramps closing, nothing. And that's a peace of mind and a relaxing mind attitude. So that's how we do it, guys. And I guess today is just gonna be you and I out on the water, because Obi doesn't want to go, Gabby doesn't want to go, the boys are not with me, so I'm not gonna stay home. So I'm just gonna jump on the boat and go with the show. All right, guys, so I guess the West Coast weather knows I'm back, because I asked my dad, has it been raining here lately? And he says, no, not really. I said, are you sure? He goes, no. And I see already a gray cloud forming in front of me. So I think the West Coast just likes me, just likes to get me wet. Imagine those guys that have motorcycles that you just want to just take a little cruise around the neighborhood or around the block. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking a little cruise around the block or the neighborhood by water. And it doesn't matter what water. It could be in the East Coast water, West Coast, up north, down south. Just, to me, it's awesome being out in the water. Just cruising, wasting gas. And we have reached the miserable mile, what I like to call the relaxing mile, where you get to see all the boaters coming in and out. And like usual, everybody's coming back in early while we're going out. And right now we got the first nearest island to our house, and this is called Big Shell Island. This is an island right at Miserable Mile. It has like a little skinny sandbar that sometimes people like to hang out. I've been here one time, no, I've been here twice. It's okay if you don't want to go that far and just want to go in the water, but it's a lot of shells. It doesn't really have sand. And me personally, I like to feel sand on my feet, so we're not gonna stop, we're gonna keep going. And we have reached Punta Rasa Bridge or Sanibel Bridge, and normally we go right under it and head down south towards Sanibel or Fort Myers Beach, but today we're gonna cut a right and head towards the islands off the Causeway Bridge that normally a lot of people hang out here. I also made a video here with the dinghy that I'm gonna leave the link so you guys can look at it if you want to take a closer look at the island. And I guess today we're doing what I like to do, is island hopping, but we're doing it just you and I, because honestly the day is too pretty to stay home. And there are two islands in the causeway. This is our first one, and you can notice there are people fishing right on the bridge. And I've heard stories from a few locals that the big kalayas like to hang out around the pilings of the bridge. Me personally, I haven't caught one or seen one, but I do see a lot of people fishing by the pilings. But something I've seen is a lot of sardines. These islands here are pretty cool. They kind of reminded me of Hobie Beach in Key Biscayne when it used to be wide open to the public. Because now most of the area is closed or you have to pay for parking. But not here. Here you can just jump on your car, drive to the beach, to this island, and spend a few hours or the whole day. Okay, so we're gonna call this the East Sanibel Causeway Island. And now we're gonna head over to the West Causeway Island. And on the West Island, I noticed something different right away, because the east side has an idle zone right around the island, but the second one doesn't. So I guess more people come to this one with their boat and jet skis. And if you're planning to visit either or of these islands, I would suggest to come early to look for your spot, because some have sand, others have shelf, and some parts have even rocks. So yeah, I'm gonna take it. This is like a Sunday cruise out in the car, but I'm doing it today on the boat and showing you guys the 3 closest islands to the house. But now we're gonna leave the Sanibel Causeway Islands behind and head over to one of my favorites island here, and it's Picnic Island. The only thing is you can only get here by boat or jet ski. And Picnic Island is not that far from Sanibel Causeway. You can actually see it across the bay. As soon as we got closer, we noticed there was a few people already here enjoying the island. And Picnic Island has 3 spots that you can hang out. The first one is a big sandbar right in front of it, and a little cove that you could drive right in and beach the boat. And that's what we're gonna do. So decided to stop at Picnic Island, and like you can see, there's a lot of people here. I thought there was gonna be that many people here because of so late in the day, but I guess instead of eating a peach at the house, I'll eat it here on the water, on the boat. Well, to me, the day is turning out pretty good to be an unplanned day, because look at this view, guys, and it's perfect. There's no noise. All you hear is the water splashing on the shore and occasional boats cruising by. This is what I like to call sea-laxing with sea therapy. Well guys, this for me was just perfect. A little sea-laxing at Picnic Island, and it's just what I needed, because you guys already know that I love to have fun in the sun, but sometimes I love to do some sea-laxing like we're doing today.
Well, this is exactly what I needed to reset myself and start the week all brand new. That it would have been a better day if Gabby and Olguita would have came with me, but they were feeling lazy, home lazy. But not me. I needed to breathe the sea salt in the air. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing video of the 3 nearest islands to the house. And also, I'm going to leave you guys the links to the videos of these islands that I've been here before if you guys want to see them. And until next time, I'll catch you guys out in the water.